The spirit hovers, a rhythmic beating of wings, rising over the chaos where the silence sings. The journey begins in the heart of the deep, as the Creator awakens the world from its sleep. Let there be light, a vertical glory, the first bright line in the living story. He scattered the stars like diamond seed, spanning the heavens with effortless speed. The cosmic canvas is unfurled and wide, with galaxies dancing in the great divide. Then out of the swirling, a sapphire sphere, the footstool of God begins to appear. Behold the fan of 1,000 eyes, dipped in the hues of the morning skies. The dust of the earth takes a massive frame, a gentle giant that whispers his name. The roar of the king, the strength of the word, the boldest song the savannah has heard. With feathers of joy and a spirit of speed, designed for the plains, every feather decreed. A submerged power in the river's flow, watching the secrets in the depths below. Bounding with life on a sun-drenched shore, leaping for the one whom the hills adore. The maker's delight in the strange and the new, a whimsical wonder, a mystery in view. A kaleidoscope wing, a vibrant cry, painting the branches and filling the sky. The intricate dragon, the crown of the sand, sculpted with care by the artist's hand. Resting in the peace of the eucalyptus shade, safe in the garden that wisdom has made. The mystery of becoming, the old passed away, wrapped in a shroud, then reborn for the day. The Creator's promise, a new life takes flight, transfigured by grace in the warmth of the light. Architect of silver, weaving the dew, binding the morning with a thread ever true. The golden worker, the hum of the field, seeking the sweetness the blossoms will yield. The kiss of the pollen, the bloom of the vine, in the garden of God, everything is divine. The rhythm of nature, the balance, the dance, nothing is wasted, nothing left to chance. A sudden spring, a coiled power set free, leaping through the air in wild liberty. And man descends to the glassy blue, searching for wonders the Creator once knew. The ancient traveler of the ocean current, propelled by a purpose, a quiet deterrent. Splashes of neon in the coral's embrace, reflecting the colors of a heavenly place. Small and majestic, a secret held tight, anchored in seaweed, hidden from light. Bells of translucent and shimmering lace, pulsing with rhythm, a liquid-born grace. The stars of the sky found a home in the sand, cast from the heavens by the Father's own hand. The laughter of God in the crest of the wave, leaping for joy from a watery grave. Hiding in mercy where the anemones sway, protected and cherished in the light of the day. In the cathedral of ice and the biting breeze, he fashioned a life for the frozen seas. Together they stand in the whiteout storm, the power of two, keeping the spirit warm. The crown of the tundra, the stride of the bold, walking the paths that the spirit foretold. A heavy-tusked wisdom on the edge of the flow, resting in rhythms that only they know. The ghost of the north, a powerful white, moving through shadows of the long winter night. The eyes of the evening, the silent wing, listening for the song that the night shadows sing. The humble and small, the seeker of grain, finding a path in the wind and the rain. The clever red fire that darts through the trees, a flicker of orange on the evening breeze. The beat of the hammer, the pulse of the wood, everything working as the Creator said, good. A heartbeat of silver, a twitch of the ear, resting in the grass when the presence is near. The harvester gathering the fruit of the land, provision is plenty from the Father's own hand. Smallest of wonders in the shadows of green, loved by the Maker, though rarely been seen. The curve of the emerald, the glide of the skin, a beauty created before the dark shadow of sin. The Sabbath of movement, the slow, steady breath, living in peace, far from hurry and death. The beak of the rainbow, the tropical cry, a masterpiece perched where the canopy is high. The spirit of change, the shifting of hue, reflecting the world in a different view. The joy of the branches, the play of the soul, in the symphony of life, they play their part whole. Mounting on wings like the prayers of the saints, soaring past limits where the weary soul faints. The breakthrough. The shell falls away from the life, rising in victory over struggle and strife. Out of the darkness, the song starts to rise as the new creation opens its eyes. Testing the air with a newfound grace, answering the call of the wide open space. Upward and onward, through the golden glow, leaving the shell and the shadows below. The work is complete. The spinning jewel turns. For the love of its maker, the whole planet yearns. In the rest of the seventh, the story stays true. Behold, says the Father, I make all things new.